Bottles and mower.
Go and place them on there. Okay, all entrants to the first heat, please. Can you start to bring your snails to the course?
How do you know if you're in the
taking place in 4 minutes, 5 minutes time.
I've had to lower the price.
Okay, we've got...
What's his name?
This one is one out of the stables. It's sterling lettuce, Dad sterling moss, classic shell. I think he's going to do really well.
It's not the best, but it's not the worst. We haven't got the sun beating down on us here. We have to remember that snails have evolved over millions of years, and there are over 40,000 species of snail in the world, terrestrial. They are very good at knowing when it's time to go into their shell and so on. No, I suppose a rainy day would be the better environment, but you know, if we are going to use animals, and that has to be done humanely, with sensitivity, then we must just make sure that we're all the time thinking about their welfare.
I have absolutely no tactics at all. This is it. I've turned up. I've now adopted these snails for my children, but we're just going to cheer as loud as possible and hope Turbo or Sea Slug get the win.
Ready, steady, slow.
Come on, Chunky! Come on, Lucky! Lucky's going.
I think we're good. So, ready, steady, slow. Come on! Got some encouragement! Come on, Turbo! Have you started the time? So the world record is 2 minutes. Come on! I think number 10's at the lead. Who's number 11? Number 11. Yes, number 11's doing it. Yeah, he's got the idea. Bearing in mind that we haven't had a competition since 2019, then, you know, one can understand it. It's number 14 who's definitely out in the lead. 14 looks like he's making an unassailable lead here. 3, 7, 9 and 13 are all fast asleep.
Not the only ones. Sorry, that wasn't the crowd.
Why Simon Cowell red buzzed this, I have no idea.
They're all climbing on each other.
We've got a triple decker here, Mr. Snailmaster. He's there! In a wonderful 7 minutes, 34 seconds. We won't bother at tense. Okay, right. Who's 14? How's Evie? Just yet enough.
Come on, 27.
Come on, 23.
Come on, 30's in the lead. Which one's yours then? 36.
Go, Pickle!
Nicholas.
Go, Pickle!
It has to be official condom spring.
Oh, Pickle, go in! No time! No, nothing, like mine is.
28's looking good.
23! Come on, 23! Come on, Pickle!
19's getting going. There, he's a winner. 19 has it. Lily has it. Lily is the winner. 9 minutes 42. Taught Ian and I the role of snail master over the last few months, and he's handed his baton over to us. My senior snail master Ian is in charge today.
back in the circle. Oh my goodness me. Yours is just flicking everyone. Nice and careful. He's asleep on the line, is he? Yeah, one of them is. Oh, hold on. Yeah,
He's turning back.
Lucky's turning back. You just think to yourself, where am I going?
Oh, I'm a minute ago.
Probably one of the slowest races ever.
Oh.
Snail Master is checking.
Oh.
Yes. Yay! Whoa, thank goodness for that. 15:59. Chase makes it into the final. Come on, cheer for Evie. Evie! 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 Yay!
Champion of the world.
Where's Evie's trainer? Evie's trainer, congratulations! What's your name? Nettie. And how old are you?
4.
4? Ladies and gentlemen, the winning trainer, Nettie! The youngest trainer in snail racing history. 4 years old.
Full Guinness World Record. So I'm going to get a plaque to...
Yes.
One more for good luck.
Very, very happy. We have been looking after Evie all day in the heat, haven't we? We've been giving her bits of water and hossa leaves to keep her all ready for her racing, haven't we? And you're very happy, aren't you?
Me and phones just don't go together. You know what Nana's like.
Fantastic.